Hello guys, my name is Don Camila. I have created videos about how to make money online, and if you subscribe to the channel, I will send you an update so anytime I post a new video so you don't miss anything. You can only make $15 a day or $20 a day just by watching funny videos. Use this for your own risk and have a total freedom in the world. Let's jump into it.
The app name is ClipClap. Visit Play Store and download it just for free. Now we are going to create our ClipClap app. You can use your Facebook account to sign up or your email address, but the best way is use your email address to sign up.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos about how to make money online, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and I will appreciate that. See you in the next video. Goodbye.